This guide helps you update lead information, including social media links and profile pictures, to ensure accurate and up-to-date records in your dashboard. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Lead from the menu. Preview the required lead details. To update social media links, click the edit icon beside the lead's profile section. A pop-up window appears with fields for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Enter Facebook URL. Click on Twitter field and enter Twitter URL. Click on LinkedIn field and enter LinkedIn URL. Click on the Save to store the changes. To update profile picture, click on the current profile image or placeholder image. Choose Upload New Image from your computer. Click on Save Changes. Once uploaded, the new image will replace the old one instantly. The updated image appears beside the lead's name throughout the CRM.